who are the stakeholders, whether they are the customers or suppliers or business partners. Still, some confusion is going around. Don't worry, I am here to clear you who are the stakeholders. So, welcome to Refresh Engineers. Of course, when you go through the PMBOK guideline, you can find the stakeholder engagement, which is the last but not the least, because the stakeholder engagement will be well placed from the initiating phase. Yes, that is the reason it is very, very important. A complete project, what we are doing is only the main purpose to meet the deliverables of stakeholders. Yes, it's a business requirement of the stakeholders, but in general, who are our stakeholders? Of course, what if this is right, they are the customers or suppliers or the business partners. Not only this, the stakeholders who are directly impacting on the project positively or negatively, they are called the stakeholders. I can give you a simple example. Imagine in your place, you are getting the project from the government to construct a dam in your village. So assume that who are all your stakeholders? Of course, the government. They are the customers. They are giving you the project, and the suppliers, just all the building materials or the equipments used for the excavating or the civil to construct the dams. Yes, even the design companies. Of course, when you are making the plan in the Primavera or any scheduling software, even Microsoft Excel, they are also one of the stakeholders. Even the computer supplies, yes, they are also one of the stakeholders. Say for example, if your system is not working fine, you have a deadline, you want to meet the deadline, suddenly your system is not working. Of course, it will impact to the project performance in the schedule index point of view. So this is also, you can say, even the computer, even the internet service provider, they are also one of the stakeholders, because you are utilizing that as an asset to contribute to the project to give a very good output or the deliverables to meet the customer's requirement. So this is the stakeholders who are directly impacting on the project positively or negatively. I can say the negative impact as the same example. When you are going to construct the dam, of course, the local village people, 70% of the people are against your project. They will start protest. Yes, they are having negative stakeholders. They have the influence to impact your project. So the stakeholders is not only about or not limited to business partners or the customers or the suppliers, but stakeholders means you have to think in the wide range. Yes, who are all impacting on the project positively or negatively. Yes, when you refer to the PMBOK guide for the PMP preparation, exam preparation, yes, starting from the initiating phase, you can find once you develop the project charter, you have to identify the stakeholders. That is a very, very important point. So that is the reason in the last video also I used to explain about the importance of the stakeholders. Once you are well placed, the stakeholders, their requirements, the categorize, when you categorize all the stakeholders based on their influence or interest or impact, yes, you can, as I told, 70 to 80% your project will be the winning phase. Yes. So the stakeholders, I'm reminding you, the stakeholders are the contributors to the project who are directly impacting positively or negatively on the project. See you again.